Learning the key of G. In this video, I'm going to show you the four standard chords in the key of G, showing you the root, the fourth, the fifth, and the relative minor, that's the sixth. My name's Shelley Dubois. I am a singer, songwriter, recording artist, and performer, and I've been doing this for over 50 years. And I love teaching people how to learn how to play guitar so that they get to have fun playing the guitar and learning songs. Today we're going to learn the key of G. When I said at the beginning of this video that I'm going to teach you the 1, the 4th, the 5th, and the 6th, if you reference to the previous video that I did here as to how to use your musical alphabet to figure that out, and when I refer to 1, 4, 5, and 6, that's using what's called a Nashville numbering system. In the key of G, we have the root, the G chord. So we're going to take our first finger, put it on the 5th string in the 2nd fret. We're going to take our second finger, put it on the 6th string in the 3rd fret. Our third finger is going to go on the 2nd string in the 3rd fret, and our 4th finger is going to go on the 1st string in the 3rd fret. And give it a strum like that. So if you're getting where the strings are sounding like that, is because your fingers aren't curved up enough to have, they're muting the other strings. So you have to bring your elbow down and really curve up your fingers, and at your wrist, bend it, and press hard. I know on those new fingers, it's going to be like, owie. Anybody say that anymore? Owie. You have to press hard, get those fingers up, strum so that you get that kind of sound. Now, some of you might be saying, how come you're adding a finger here? And the reason why I'm doing that, because in future, you're going to be learning a chord like this, where you drop those 2 fingers. So that's why I want to get you used to that instead of just the standard G chord like that. We're going to add that 3rd finger in there. So that's the G chord. Now, in the musical alphabet, when you go G, A, B, C. 4, that is the C chord. So you're going to put your first finger on the 2nd string in the 1st fret. Your second finger goes on the 4th string in the 2nd fret. And your 3rd finger goes on the 5th string in the 3rd fret. This one might be a little bit more difficult. Here again, you have to move your elbow forward, bend at the wrist, and really curve up those fingers and strum all the way through to get all those chords, all those strings. So now I went from G, counted that as 1. Now I'm going to count to the 4, so G, A, B, C, which is 4. Next chord is the 5th, which is D. D comes right after C. So you're going to put your first finger on the 3rd string in the 2nd fret, your second finger on the 1st string in the 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger on the 2nd string in the 3rd fret. And now you're going to strum from your 5th string down. Reason being, if you strum from your 6th string down, this is how it sounds. So you don't want that sound. So you're going to mute that 6th string and just strum from 5th string down. So once again, you got the G chord, that's your root. Your 4 is the C chord, and your 5 is the D chord, strumming from the 5th string down. Now right after D in the alphabet is E. That's the 6th, and that is your relative minor. So E minor. So you're going to put your second finger on the 5th string in the 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger on the 4th string in the 2nd fret as well. And you're going to strum all the strings. Bend that wrist, curve up those fingers, press hard and strum all your strings. That is E minor. So let's go over that one more time. You got the G chord. That's your root. Now if you're counting, you go G, using the musical alphabet. G, A, B, C is 4, D is 5, E minor is the 6th. Root is G, the 4th is C, the 5th is D, and the 6th is E minor. So rewind and keep watching where fingers get placed. Get those chords all in place. And once you get them sounding good, now I want you to strum at least 4 times on your G. 2, 3, 4. Go to the 4th, which is C. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your D, which is the 5th, strumming from the 5th string down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to your E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want you to repeat those chords over and over and over again until you get comfortable switching from chord to chord. This is what eventually you want to get, is you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the goal, is to get those, so when you learn a song in that key of G, that you're easily going from chord to chord, not struggling too hard. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.